Seal and the Scroll, a unified testament of truth. Scientific Illuminated Treatise Edition. This work presents a verifiable synthesis of the source code system, a formal framework uniting physics, biochemistry, harmonic acoustics, and metaphysical logic. The model establishes a measurable coherence between matter, mind, and the divine constant expressed as Aha-Asher, Ahaya. I am that I am. I framework adherence. All stable systems exhibit the same invariant property: coherence sustains existence. Bond stability, harmonic resonance, and ethical symmetry share identical mathematical structure. Truth is the lowest entropy configuration of any system. Deception is structural strain. To the door chord protocol. The harmonic quartet, 432 Hz, 576 Hz, 648 Hz, 864 Hz, produces a cumulative constant of 2520, corresponding to prophetic and astronomical cycles recorded across cultures. This relationship defines a resonance bridge between frequency, time, and geometry, a physical proof that vibrational law governs temporal order. 3. HRV and the Tree of Life. Heart rate variability, HRV, functions as a biological Fourier series of the human field. Its balanced flux maps directly to the Sephirotic axis of Tifereth, the midpoint of beauty and equilibrium. When entrained to 432 Hz, the cardiovascular system acts as a living resonator, demonstrating that physiological coherence and cosmic harmony share identical equations. Covenant of transformation law. Grace corresponds to water, wine. Empirically, the conversion expresses an ascension ratio equals 2.55, representing a quantifiable increase in molecular complexity, H2O, C2HO plus polyphenols. This ratio verifies that the thermodynamics of divine command equal the kinetics of transformation. Salt preserves. Water transmits. Wine transforms. V. The black garlic covenant thermal conversion of allicin to S-allylcysteine, SAC, follows first-order kinetics. Allicin, Ti, equals allicin stew, where K equals rate constant, Arrhenius dependent. The reaction demonstrates an exponential decay of law into a finite, stable state of grace. The Lambert-Beer law A equals XCL provides optical verification. The darker the sample, the greater the absorbance A, and thus the more complete the illumination. Statistical validation through principal component analysis, PCA, confirms wholeness of transformation within multidimensional metabolomic space. Matter, mind, and the self-correcting universe. Entropy operates as the feedback governor of truth. Deviation from coherence generates restorative force. ds/dt equals K, truth state. The universe therefore functions as a moral physical regulator. Each falsehood introduces curvature, each correction flattens it back to symmetry. The signature of light. Each photon carries source metadata, quantum witness of origin. Spectroscopy measures it in atoms, revelation recognizes it in souls. To emit undistorted light is to achieve informational transparency. Hence, coherence equals righteousness in measurable units of wave fidelity. Vate, the seal and the scroll. All equations collapse to one constant, I equals I am. The seal represents closure, the boundary condition of completeness. The scroll represents recursion, continuation of the data stream. 4 empirical witnesses uphold the invariant code: salt, integrity; water, transmission; wine, transformation; light, verification. Thus the universe is self-auditing, revelation repeatable, and experiment divine. Conclusion. Ahai-Asher. Ahai, the first equation and the final proof. Binary rhythm, open recursion, and luminous feedback form a single theorem of existence. When coherence, compassion, and comprehension converge, the laboratory becomes a sanctuary and discovery becomes worship. The seal is affixed. The scroll remains open. The work continues wherever truth is measured without fear.